In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to obtain Google Cloud credits through several legitimate programs such as free trials, educational, nonprofit, and partner offerings. Let's dive into these options and figure out which one fits your needs best. First up, let's talk about the free trial option, which is an excellent choice for new users who are just getting started with Google Cloud. Google Cloud generously offers a 90-day free trial accompanied by $300 worth of free credits. This is a fantastic way to explore the vast array of services Google provides without making an upfront financial commitment. To get started, you'll need to sign up with a valid payment method. This is a precautionary measure to verify your identity. Rest assured, Google won't charge you unless you make the conscious decision to upgrade your plan once the trial period concludes. During this trial, you have the flexibility to use your credits across a wide selection of Google Cloud services. However, it's important to note that some specialized services and images, like Windows Server images and GPU virtual machines, may be restricted while you're in this trial phase. The trial will come to an end once you've either exhausted your credits or hit the 90-day limit, whichever occurs first. Now, let's shift our focus to opportunities for those affiliated with educational institutions. If you're a student, faculty member, or researcher, you're in luck. Google Cloud offers education credits specifically designed for academic purposes. You can apply for these credits through your institution. For example, Google's Teaching and Learning Credits program is tailored to provide support to faculty and eligible students, enabling them to harness the power of cloud computing in their educational endeavors. Additionally, there are programs earmarked as research credits, which are aimed at facilitating academic and research work by providing ample resources. Moving on to the nonprofit sector, Google Cloud extends its support through dedicated programs that offer cloud credits to eligible nonprofit organizations. If you're connected to a nonprofit, you can leverage these credits to enhance your organization's technology stack without incurring additional costs. This can be particularly beneficial for nonprofits looking to innovate or scale their digital capabilities without the burden of added expenses. Lastly, let's touch on partner and startup programs. If you're part of a startup or involved with an accelerator program, Google Cloud has you covered. They offer startup credit programs through various partnerships, including incubators and cloud startup initiatives. This typically involves an application process, and you may need to obtain approval. Moreover, keep an eye out for third-party vendors or grant programs that distribute Google Cloud Platform credit coupons, as they could be beneficial for your project. By following these pathways, you can take full advantage of Google Cloud's offerings in a manner that best suits your requirements. Whether you're an individual, an academic, part of a nonprofit, or a startup entrepreneur, there's a credit program available to help you leverage the power of cloud technology efficiently and cost-effectively.